This footage highlights critical industrial safety breaches involving heavy machinery and lifting operations. In the first scenario, a forklift mishap occurs during the unloading of a large crate when a worker stands too close to the active lifting zone. The load becomes unbalanced and tips over, striking the individual who is unable to clear the area in time. The second incident involves an overhead hoist system in a mechanical workshop where a heavy metal component suddenly detaches and falls into the workspace due to insufficient technical inspection and coordination. These events serve as a vital reminder to always maintain a strict safety perimeter and never stand under or near suspended loads. It is essential to verify equipment integrity and load stability before any operation. Consistent use of personal protective equipment and clear communication between team members are key to preventing such workplace accidents. This electrical safety alert highlights the vital importance of awareness and precaution when dealing with high-voltage hazards. The footage serves as a serious reminder. While moving items near power lines, an individual accidentally contacted a live source and became immobilized. Bystanders attempted to help, but without proper training or insulating equipment, the situation became extremely hazardous for everyone. Crucial lessons include: never make direct physical contact with a victim, as the current will travel into your body. Prioritize disconnecting the power source immediately via the main breaker, and use only dry, non-conductive materials like wooden poles to move wires if the power stays on. Maintaining vigilance around workspaces and reporting frayed wires to professionals is essential to prevent life-altering consequences and ensure collective safety. This video highlights a significant traffic incident intended to raise awareness about workplace safety and situational awareness on public roads. The footage shows a pedestrian walking when a sudden, forceful collision occurs with an operating forklift. Due to a lack of observation and the inherent blind spots of specialized industrial vehicles, the accident resulted in severe injuries to the pedestrian's lower limbs. Witnesses immediately rushed to provide emergency assistance. Key safety lessons include: pedestrians must maintain high focus and avoid mobile devices in industrial areas. Equipment operators must adhere to strict safety protocols, ensuring unobstructed sightlines and using warning signals, and everyone should maintain a safe distance from heavy machinery. This incident serves as a vital reminder that a single moment of distraction can lead to life-altering consequences. Road safety is a critical responsibility that demands constant vigilance and strict adherence to technical standards. Analysis of recent traffic footage highlights the severe risks associated with equipment failure and poor situational awareness. In one instance, an operator lost control of a custom agricultural vehicle during startup, leading to a direct collision due to a lack of standard safety features. Another scenario demonstrates the peril of no zones, where a motorcycle entered a large truck's blind spot during a turn, resulting in a dangerous under-vehicle collision. To prevent such incidents, operators must ensure all machinery is mechanically sound and maintain a firm grip on controls. Furthermore, road users must stay visible to large vehicles, avoid cutting in during turns, and maintain a safe following distance to allow for adequate reaction time. This footage captures a critical workplace incident involving a worker operating near heavy industrial rotating machinery within a textile facility. Due to a momentary lapse in situational awareness and lack of a safety buffer, the worker was suddenly pulled into the machine's intake point by its powerful rotational force. This event serves as a stark reminder of the inherent risks associated with high-powered equipment. To prevent such incidents, strict dress code compliance is mandatory. Loose clothing or unsecured hair can easily become entangled. Furthermore, personnel must maintain safe proximity from active components and facilities, should implement engineering controls like physical guards or sensors. Ultimately, situational awareness and emergency stop training are crucial, as a split second of distraction in an industrial environment can lead to severe consequences. This footage documents a significant technical failure within a steel rolling facility where a red-hot steel bar suddenly became misaligned. Instead of following the production line, the superheated material discharged at high velocity, coiling across the floor and forcing personnel to evacuate to avoid extreme thermal energy. This incident serves as a vital case study for high-pressure manufacturing safety. Key lessons include the necessity of routine equipment, inspections of rolling stands to prevent material ejections, and the installation of heat-resistant protective guarding to contain mechanical deviations. Furthermore, operators must follow strict proximity protocols by maintaining safety clearances. Finally, automated emergency shutoffs using sensors can trigger immediate system halts to limit the impact of technical failures. This video serves as a vital reminder of workplace safety within industrial hubs. The footage shows a worker standing too close to a truck loaded with heavy components when a large piece of cargo suddenly shifts and falls. Due to a lack of safety buffering, the worker is struck and thrown back, highlighting the hazards of industrial environments without proper distancing. Key takeaways include maintaining a safe perimeter and never standing in a fall zone during loading. Proper PPE, such as hard hats and steel-toe boots, remains essential to minimize impact. Furthermore, cargo stability must be verified to ensure loads are secured before anyone approaches. Situational awareness is crucial. Even a brief distraction can lead to incidents. Safety is a shared responsibility, and we hope this lesson encourages everyone to stay vigilant and protect themselves and their colleagues. In modern industrial environments, adhering to safety protocols is a critical responsibility to protect yourself and your co-workers. This video highlights a situation in a woodworking facility where a worker moves large panels near machinery. While working, a tall stack of materials suddenly shifts, causing the heavy load to collapse onto the individual. This incident occurs in an instant, demonstrating the hidden dangers of working near large items that are not properly secured or lack safety barriers. Key lessons include managing stacking height so materials never exceed a stable base. Workers must maintain a safe distance from automated machinery and potential fall zones. Utilizing forklifts or lifting equipment for bulky loads is essential. Workplace safety starts with awareness. Never underestimate physical risks. In industrial environments, unexpected incidents can occur in a split second if safety protocols are overlooked. These videos illustrate hazardous situations, such as a worker standing too close to a truck during unloading, leading to a heavy object falling, and a facility where unstable stacks of large panels suddenly collapse. These events demonstrate that areas with heavy materials carry high risks of impact. Critical safety lessons include establishing danger zones and never standing within a fall zone. Materials must be stored on stable racks and never overstacked. Prioritizing specialized equipment like forklifts is safer than manual labor for bulky loads. Maintaining vigilance and wearing proper PPE are essential to minimize impact. Keeping an organized workspace is the first line of defense for every individual. The footage captures a harrowing workplace accident that serves as a stark reminder of the dangers faced by roadside technicians. While a utility worker was repairing traffic signals from a bucket truck, a passing semi-truck's trailer struck the boom arm, flipping the bucket upside down. The worker was thrown out, left dangling precariously by his safety harness. This incident highlights the absolute necessity of rigorous safety protocols. Establishing a proper work zone with advanced warning signs is mandatory to ensure high-profile vehicles have clearance. Ground crews must act as vigilant spotters to signal stops for oversized loads. Most importantly, strict adherence to fall protection PPE remains the ultimate lifeline. Safety is a shared responsibility. A momentary lapse in vigilance can lead to unforeseen consequences for both contractors and motorists.